Hello students, in this video I am going to start about plastids. What are plastids? They are present only in plant cell. There are two types of plastid, chromoplast, which are colored, and leucoplast. Leuco itself means white or colorless. Plastid contains the pigment chlorophyll. The plastid which has pigments, which pigments are of different color, yellow, orange or green. The green pigment is dominant in leaves, so the leaf color is green, and that is chlorophyll, which is known as chloroplast. The presence of pigment chlorophyll is known as chloroplast. Chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis, which I have said that it consists green color, which helps in photosynthesis. Chloroplast also contains various yellow, orange pigments in addition to chlorophyll. Leucoplasts are primary organelles in which materials such as starch, oil, and protein granules are stored. The internal organization of the plastid contains numerous membranous layers. They are known as stroma. Plastids are similar to mitochondria in the external structure. It also contains outer and inner membrane as in mitochondria, and the pile-like structure which we have seen in mitochondria, they are known as stroma in plastids. Like the mitochondria, plastids have also their own DNA. This is also very important. They have also own DNA and ribosome as mitochondria. But mitochondria role is for generating ATP, means it is powerhouse of the cell. And plastids, which have pigment, main important role is photosynthesis in plant. Now we will see about vacuoles. What are vacuoles? I have shown in the diagram of plant cell wall. The vacuoles are storage sac for solid or liquid content. Vacuoles are very small in size in animals, while in plants they are large vacuoles. It contains 50 to 90% of the cell volume. The plant cell vacuoles are filled with cell sap and provide turgidity and rigidity to the cell. Turgidity means it is filled with water. Many substances of important in the life of the plant cell are stored in vacuoles. This includes amino acid, sugar, various organic acids, and some proteins which are stored in vacuoles. In single cell organism like amoeba, the food vacuoles contain the food item that amoeba has consumed. In some unicellular organisms, specialized vacuole also plays an important role in expelling excess water and some waste from the cell. Each cell thus acquires the structure and ability to function because the organism of its membrane and organelle in specific ways. This is seen the importance in unicellular organism in amoeba, that how the vacuoles plays an important role in expelling water and some waste from the cell. This helps the cell to perform function like respiration, obtaining nutrition, cleaning of waste materials, and forming of new proteins. Thus, the cell is the fundamental structure unit of living organism. It is also the basic functional unit of life. Now this chapter is over, so I want all the blue questions complete which are given in this chapter. Thank you.